Welcome to Practice English Conversations. Are you ready to practice your English and become more fluent? Let's get started.
Hi, Brian. How are you today?
Hi, Alice. I'm doing well, thank you. How about you?
I'm great, thanks. I've been thinking about all the fun activities we can do in the city, and I thought it would be nice to share our experiences with each other. Do you like going out for entertainment?
Yes, I really enjoy going out. I often visit the cinema, go to a bar with my friends, and sometimes I attend local fairs. The city has so much to offer.
I agree completely. I love the cinema because it is a great way to relax and see new movies on a big screen. Last weekend, I watched an exciting action movie with my sister.
That sounds fun, Alice. I usually go to the cinema to watch comedies or adventure films. I like how the big screen makes everything look more dramatic and clear.
Exactly. I also like the comfortable seats and the surround sound. It makes the experience more immersive. After the movie, I usually talk about it with my friends and share our opinions.
That is a great idea. I always discuss the film afterward. Sometimes I even write a short review on my blog. Do you write about the movies you watch?
I do sometimes, but only for fun. I enjoy writing a few sentences about my favorite parts of the movie and what I liked about the story and the actors.
That sounds interesting. Besides the cinema, I also enjoy visiting bars in the city. I like the lively atmosphere and the chance to meet new people.
Yes, bars can be very fun. I often go with friends on Friday nights. We chat, laugh, and sometimes listen to live music. It is a great way to celebrate the end of a long week.
I agree. I like a small bar near my house that has live music on weekends. The music is soft and relaxing, and the drinks are reasonably priced.
That sounds wonderful. I like when the bar has a cozy and friendly environment. It makes me feel welcome and relaxed. Have you tried any special drinks or cocktails there?
Yes, I have. I tried a cocktail called Sunset Delight last time. It was a mix of fruit juices and a little rum, and it tasted very fresh. I also enjoy a simple beer sometimes.
Sunset Delight sounds lovely. I usually order a glass of red wine or sometimes a mocktail if I want to be light on my stomach.
Wine is nice too. I like that there are many choices at these bars. The staff are usually friendly and give good recommendations.
That is important. Good service really improves the experience. I once asked the bartender for a suggestion, and he recommended a new cocktail that I ended up loving.
I remember a similar experience. A bartender once told me about a tropical twist drink. It was very refreshing and perfect for a warm evening.
It is great to hear these stories. Another fun activity I enjoy is attending local fairs. Have you been to any fairs in the city recently?
Yes, I went to a summer fair last month. The fair had many colorful stalls, games, and food trucks. I had a lot of fun there.
I love fairs. At the fair, I enjoy trying different types of street food. There were some amazing treats like grilled corn, spicy noodles, and sweet desserts.
I agree, the food at fairs is always interesting. I also like to play the games at the fair. Last time I tried a ring toss game and even won a small prize.
That must have been exciting. I sometimes join the games with my family. Even if I do not win, I enjoy the friendly competition and the fun atmosphere.
Yes, fairs are a great way to spend an afternoon. I like to walk around, look at the handmade crafts, and sometimes listen to local bands that perform on small stages.
I enjoy the live music at fairs as well. It is very different from the music in bars or on the radio. The sound is more natural, and it often features traditional instruments.
That is very true. I feel that live music at fairs connects me with the local culture. It reminds me of the traditions and history of the city.
I feel the same way. I remember one fair where an old folk band played traditional songs. It made me feel nostalgic and happy.
It is amazing how entertainment in the city can take so many forms. From the modern cinema to the lively bars and traditional fairs, there is always something new to experience.
Yes, and each activity gives us different feelings. The cinema is like an escape from reality. The bar is a place to relax and socialize. And the fair brings out the charm of our local culture.
I agree completely. I sometimes plan my weekends around these activities. For example, I might go to the cinema on Saturday, then join some friends at a bar later in the evening, and finally visit a fair on Sunday.
That sounds like a perfect weekend plan. I sometimes combine these activities as well. I enjoy watching a movie in the afternoon and then meeting my friends at a fair or a bar in the evening.
It is all about balancing fun and relaxation. I think spending time on these activities makes the busy city life more enjoyable.
Absolutely. And I also believe that trying different entertainment options helps us learn more about our city. Every place has its own style and charm.
Yes, and it also helps us meet new people. I often talk to strangers at the fair or the bar, and we share stories about our favorite experiences. It makes me feel part of a community.
I enjoy those conversations too. They make me feel connected and remind me that everyone has their own story and favorite moments in the city.
Exactly. I think sharing our experiences makes the entertainment even more memorable. I always remember a great movie I watched, or a fun night at the bar because of the people I met.
I feel the same way, Brian. I also like to take photos during these events. Later, I look at the photos and remember the happy moments, the colors of the fair, the smiles at the cinema, and the lively conversations at the bar.
Photos are wonderful memories. They help me see the details I might have missed at the time. I like to keep a small album on my phone with pictures from different events.
That is a lovely idea. I have a photo album on my phone as well. Every time I see a picture, It makes me smile.
Well, Alice, our conversation about city entertainment has made me appreciate the variety of activities our city offers. It's great to know that there is always something fun to do.
I agree, Brian. Talking with you about these experiences has given me new ideas for my next weekend outing. I might even try a new bar or visit another fair soon.
That sounds fantastic, Alice. Let's keep in touch and maybe plan to go out together sometime. It would be fun to share our experiences in person.
I would love that, Brian. I'll send you a message next week, and we can decide on a day to go out.
Great, Alice. I'm looking forward to it. Thank you for this wonderful conversation.
Thank you, Brian. Have a great day and enjoy your time in the city.
You too, Alice. Take care and goodbye.
Goodbye, Brian.
Great job practicing with us today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next English conversation. See you in the next video. Keep practicing and stay confident.